Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: regional parties to fight as one united force in the coming MLA elections. Meghalaya's ad hoc teachers to rally in front of MBO's office at Lower Lachumere tomorrow. Nyotarap National Youth Front Maulai Circle apprises OC on chaotic traffic jam. And Meghalaya Football Association begins repairing of the third ground at Polo. And now the news in detail. The Central Executive Committee of Hill State People's Democratic Party today decided to start campaigning for the coming MLA election. This was disclosed by the HSPDP President K. Pangyang to the media. He also said that the talks are on among the regional parties to fight the coming assembly election as one united force.
We have decided to redirect or to give the direction again to all the district committees and the youth wing and including the women's wing to go forward and to organize the party effectively. Lastly, we have had a discussion. The so-called alliance of the HSPDP with the UDP and also with the other regional parties in the state. With regard to this matter, the party today we decided that we are yet to take a final call because we feel that let first the Regional Democratic Alliance took the initiative, will take the initiative, will call the meeting, they will convene the meeting. Then after the RDA has taken whatever step it feel appropriate and deemed fit, then the party again, we will sit together and we will go accordingly whatever the RDA decide upon.
The ad hoc teachers of Meghalaya today took out a procession from Raj Bhavan to Malki, demanding upgradation of their service from ad hoc teachers to deficit school teachers. As the state government is adamant to implement their demand, these teachers decided to hold the teachers' rally in front of the MBO's office at Lower Lachumere in Shillong tomorrow.
Others might be sitting there like continuously, but all the other 4 teachers will sit rotational. And we also want to send a message to the government that you should not take it lightly just because we are not really going full swing. We are not really thinking about the government right now, but we are thinking about the students that we are teaching. And we have this responsibility in our shoulders that in this tussle, in this tug of war between the teachers and the government, the students should not get affected. However, we also have a very clear message to send to the government that the moment April arrives, if the government does not take any immediate action, we are going to launch a full agitation and it will be on full strength. We will launch agitation in all the different districts of the state. We will have agitation right here in Shillong as well. Whether we get permission or not.
The Nyotarap National Youth Front Maulai Circle met the officer in charge of Maulai Police Station and also apprised him about the hardship faced by the people of Maulai to the massive traffic jam in and around Maulai. The president of Nyotarap National Youth Front Maulai Circle also told the police office to take note of this problem because the MBO's examination will start from the 24th March to the 6th of April.
Traffic jam na force report adu motifna ma sebab koi ka biang kapor na koi school tentang kini na yam pa baje school walang tanda system kita koi do tentang koi school do system so mentali kala gandai kapor exam masang ke MBO's exam juga kini 11 12 tagara wilawan kita sini di complain juga wilawan penekran yung officer in charge kemudian hadir mengira yang keren bayo kami beliau jumut sibon beri iri yang silpia bolo beri berkenan makan yang sarah bayo kene kami tadi dua complain dengan kejuan ini sarah banyak keren bagi SP benefit.
The Dorbar Shnong of Rathayang in Ribhoi district today felicitated the 9 headmen of this village who have dedicated their services between 1984 and 2013. These headmen were facilitated by Charles Marngar, the MDC of Mauhati constituency. The felicitation program was also graced by Pateng Marsing, the president of Nyotarap Aceh National Movement and others. Meghalaya Football Association has started repairing the third ground at Polo in Shillong. This is because the ground has become very bad. The work started during this dry season before the rain comes. Water Day under the theme Groundwater Making the Invisible Visible was celebrated today, the 22nd of March 2022 at St. Anthony's College Extension Auditorium, Bindihati, East Janta Hills District. The program was organized by the District Water and Sanitation Mission, Jal Jeevan Mission, East Janta Hills, wherein Honorable Minister of Social Welfare Department, Revenue and Disaster Management, etc., Shri Kirman Shilla attended the celebration as a chief guest, and Shri Abhilash Baranwal, IAS Deputy Commissioner, East Janta Hills District, Cleariat, as the guest of honor. Speaking on the occasion as a chief guest, Shri Kirman Shilla, Minister of Social Welfare Department, Revenue and Disaster Management, etc., said that there has been an increase in the number of water tankers in the district providing drinking water to households and shops, which is a result of not using water judiciously in the past. He urged the gathering to start taking steps and measures to conserve water as it is a necessity of life. During the program, Shri J.K. Singh, Estate Manager, Star Cement Plant, gave a presentation on the topic Filtration of Water. Others who spoke in the occasion were Shri Abhilash Baranwal, IAS Deputy Commissioner, East Janta Hills District, Cleariat, Shri P. Sinha, EEPHE, Electrical Division, Joai Cum Member Secretary, DWSM JJM, East Janta Hills District, Shri R. Nongtudu, SDOPHE, Electrical Subdivision, Rambai, Shri M. Pasa, SDOPHE, RWS Cleariat Subdivision, and Shrimati Miyo Dakhar, representative from Cham Cham Village. Earlier in the program, Shri Kirman Shilla, Minister of Social Welfare Department, Revenue and Disaster Management, etc., inaugurated the World Water Day exhibition competition for school students, which was conducted as part of the celebration. The other highlights of the day include folk song performed by Gracious Disciple Group, traditional dance by PHE staff, performance by Alicia Simply, and prize distributions to the winners of the exhibition and drawing competitions. Certificates of appreciation were also distributed to the schools participating in different activities organized by the District Water and Sanitation Mission, DWSM, Jal Jeevan Mission, JJM.
The UP can prepare to take a ride, the two level only on the way, normal process of it, can either slam the rain, that there will be Ubrahum or your Talum, some sort of by all the education. His scheme, ongoing scheme, Rambo Professor, the local like scheme for boy to them, and Joe, young software, the your provider, your key scheme to can show to use like the main source, to the old Magi, he schemes, Jingo and Oscar, the Sanction, the 19 crickets, the some wrong big officers in the Magi. In the name of come down and long path of the hills, you should be really and unlimited territory to provide more people to let harm. Next step in the canopy letting, while we will be project over neighborhood to become harm.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.